Assalamualaikum, selamat malam dan selamat datang ke channel Deadpan. Sebelum kita start, aku nak ingatkan yang semua bahagian yang tak penting aku dah cut supaya kita fokus dekat jalan cerita. Aku buat macam ni sebab aku tak nak video terlalu panjang lah, of course. Dan juga aku respect masa korang. Patut ke kita naik atas dulu? Ya, kita kena naik atas dululah.
Lightning flashed behind the windows of Cauldron Lake Lodge. Tor Anderson laughed and held the Oh, great. Another cable car. Just great.
Mak jauhnya. Sekejap lagi orang kena serang dengan burung lagi. Aku dah cakap dah. Kau ni memang satu macam punya bad luck kau tahu. Memang suka main pokok ke apa? Tak habis-habis pokok je yang jatuh. Nak macam buat pembalakan pula. Oh no.
Shit.
Okay. Aku rasa lagi better pokok daripada benda Allah ni. Tapi serius cakap aku rasa revolver ni dah tak function tu. Kalau macam tadi tu sedap lah 2 kali tembak mati kan. Tapi kalau kena serang ambush ramai-ramai, paling tak function revolver. Aku bukan tak nak guna bom dengan flashbang tu. Flare dengan flashbang tu aku rasa macam sayang. Sekejap lagi kena ambush lah ni. Masin mulut tu. Ush, laju. Ui, aku dah tekan elak kot. Oh, ini melampau ni. Oi, siap. Laju tu. Eh. Relax. Benda tak ada apa. Tak boleh berlari je. Boleh berjalan ni. Nasib baik sangkut batu. Macam biasa guys, nak baca korang pause. Aku akan skip.
Maud had checked all of Stucky's rental cabins. There had been no sign of the Wakes. It was dark when he'd found their car parked at the end of the road by Cauldron Lake.
Nampaknya episod kali ni macam makan banyak berjalan sikit lah guys. Tak ada pula kau nak guna kaki. Kau tahu tak, aku tengok Alien ni dah macam paranormal activity, kau tahu. Masuk hutan sorang-sorang, jumpa bangunan usang, lawan dengan lembaga hitam. Tak tahu lah guys. Ni siapa pula main conteng-conteng? Oh, Thomas Zane. Dah sini sweet. I miss you Tom. Aku rasa ni kan CW ni yang pakai tu ke, yang aku cakap nenek hitam tu, nenek pakai baju hitam tu kan. Tapi dia bukan Barbara Jagger. Ni macam nak roboh je. Aku cakap dah.
I could see Cauldron Lake. I thought I could make out the spot where the island and the cabin had been. There was a light near it. It had to be a boat. I was close now. I had to get there fast. I dreaded what I would find. I tried to hold on to Alice, but her form melted away. I was losing control. Dr. Hartman stood in her place.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
That you? Wake?
Hey, I'm here! I'm coming!
No! Get away! I'm sorry. Please, lady. The boss didn't know who he was messing with. I didn't know. I swear I didn't know. We don't have his wife. We don't know where she is. She's probably drowned. We just said we had her to make him play ball. You see? To get him writing for us. Please. Please. Oh. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. Ah! Ah!
Kau jatuh gaung ke apa?